Oranges are one of the most popular fruits in the world. Their bright color and refreshing taste make them a favorite among many. But did you know they are also packed with health benefits? Oranges are often seen in fruit bowls and are a staple in many households. Their juicy, sweet flavor is enjoyed by people of all ages. The orange is not just a tasty snack, it is a powerhouse of nutrients. From boosting your immune system to providing essential vitamins and minerals, this fruit does it all. In this essay, we'll explore why oranges are amazing for your health. So grab an orange and let's get started. Oranges can be eaten in many ways, whether you like them peeled, juiced, or tossed in a salad. There are plenty of options. They are versatile and can be enjoyed year-round. Let's dive into the many reasons why you should include oranges in your diet. Oranges are famous for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is crucial for your immune system. It helps your body fight off colds and other infections. Just one orange can provide you with your daily dose of vitamin C. This vitamin acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Eating oranges regularly can keep you feeling healthy and strong. They are a great way to give your immune system a natural boost. Especially during flu season, having an orange a day can be very beneficial. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods. This is important for maintaining healthy blood and energy levels. So not only do oranges help you stay healthy, but they also help you feel more energetic. Incorporating oranges into your diet is simple and tasty. Whether you eat them as a snack or drink them as juice, you're doing your body a favor. Oranges are not just about vitamin C. They are packed with other essential nutrients too. One of these is fiber. Fiber is crucial for good digestion. Eating an orange can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber also helps you feel full, which can be helpful if you are trying to manage your weight. An orange is a healthy, low-calorie snack that satisfies your hunger. Plus, the natural sugars in oranges provide a quick energy boost. Oranges are rich in antioxidants. These are compounds that fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals can cause damage to your cells and lead to diseases. Antioxidants in oranges help protect your body from this damage. In addition to vitamin C and fiber, oranges also provide potassium and folate. Potassium is vital for heart health, while folate is essential for cell function. Including oranges in your diet ensures you get a variety of nutrients. Section 4. Practical uses in everyday diet. Oranges are incredibly versatile. There are many ways to incorporate them into your diet. You can start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice. It's a refreshing way to wake up and get a vitamin boost. Oranges make a great snack. Peel one and enjoy it on the go. They are also perfect for lunchboxes. Kids love their sweet taste and parents love the nutritional benefits. You can also add orange slices to your salads. They add a burst of flavor and a pop of color. Cooking with oranges is another great option. You can use orange juice in marinades for meats. The acidity helps tenderize the meat while adding a delicious flavor. Desserts like orange sorbet or orange-flavored cakes are also delightful. Oranges can even be used in savory dishes. Try adding orange zest to your sauces. It adds a unique flavor that will make your dishes stand out. The possibilities are endless when it comes to using oranges. Section 5. Tips on incorporating oranges in meals. There are many easy ways to add oranges to your meals. Start your morning with a breakfast smoothie. Blend orange juice with bananas, yogurt, and a handful of spinach. It's a nutritious and delicious way to begin your day. For a tasty lunch, make a citrus salad. Combine orange segments with mixed greens, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. It's a refreshing meal that's perfect for a hot day. Oranges can also be a great addition to your dinner. Use orange juice in a glaze for baked chicken or fish. It adds a sweet and tangy flavor that's sure to be a hit. Snacks are another easy way to enjoy oranges. Keep a bowl of oranges on your kitchen counter. This makes it easy to grab one when you're feeling hungry. You can also pack them in your bag for a healthy snack on the go. Finally, don't forget about desserts. Orange zest can brighten up a simple cake or muffin recipe. You can also make a refreshing orange sorbet. It's a perfect way to end a meal on a sweet note. Section 6 conclusion. Oranges are a fantastic fruit with numerous health benefits. They are packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. They also provide fiber, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. Oranges are versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways. Whether you eat them as a snack, juice them, or add them to your meals, oranges are a great choice. They are delicious, nutritious, and easy to incorporate into your diet. So next time you're at the store, be sure to pick up some oranges. Your body will thank you for it. Including oranges in your daily routine is a simple way to improve your health. Enjoy their sweet taste and reap the benefits they offer. Oranges truly are an amazing fruit that should be a part of everyone's diet.